Student, student, this is the second method, fluctuating capital account method. According to this, we having a one problem, and we are going to solve this one. Naresh and Sukesh are partners with capital of rupees 3 lakh each as on 31st March 2020. So both the partner having rupees 3 lakh each as a capital on 31st March 2020. The date is important. We have to be remember this date, on which date the capital is given. Naresh had withdrawn rupees 50,000 against capital on 1st October 2019. Naresh had withdrawn against capital rupees 50,000. Okay, this is the important, because drawings are of two type, against capital or against profit. So this 50,000 is against capital on 1st October 2019. The date is also given. And rupees 1 lakh drawings against profit, and 1 lakh rupees is also having as a drawing, but it is against profit, but the date is not mentioned. If date is not mentioned, so we will take the last date of the year. Sukesh also had drawings of rupees 1 lakh of rupees. The date is also not mentioned, and there is no mention related to it is against capital or against profit. So this type of drawing we will take against profit. Okay. Interest on capital is to be allowed at the rate 10% per annum. Net profit for the year was rupees 2 lakh, which is yet to be distributed. Means this 2 lakh of rupees still not distributed among the partners. Okay. So now pass the journal entries for interest on capital and distribute the distribution of profits. So one thing we have to remember and go back to your question. The drawing is on 1st October 2019, then 1st October 2019 come before 31st March 2020. It means this is the closing date of the year. Okay, this is the closing date of the year, and the year will start from 1st April 2019. So that's why this date will comes in between 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2020. So this is the closing capital of Naresh and Sukesh in this question. Now we have to calculate the opening capital, and from opening capital to which date there was change. So according to that time duration we will calculate the interest on capital. So how it is? So now I have a working note format, so I am going to solve this. If I am writing capital on 31st March 2020, so Naresh having capital of rupees 3 lakh, and Sukesh is also having rupees of 3 lakh. There is 2 lakh of profit. It is not distributed. If it is not distributed, so this profit did not affected the capital of partners. So this 2 lakh of rupees profit is not used here. Okay. So now we have to take the drawings. 1st October and 1 lakh of rupees drawing against profit. So this drawing will take on last date of the year. Last date, that is 31st March 2020. If drawings was calculated on 31st March 2020, so this 1 lakh rupees was subtract from that capital, but now we are going to calculating the opening capital. So if we calculating the opening capital, then we have to add this drawing. Okay, Naresh drawing on 31st March, drawings 1 lakh of rupees, and Sukesh is also of rupees 1 lakh, so we will write 1 lakh of rupees over here. It will be plus. So 4 lakh of rupees capital, 4 lakh of rupees capital on 31st March 2020. Now before drawings, okay, because whatever the drawings they have withdrawn, we have added again. So 4 lakh of rupees both the partner is having. But now Naresh had withdrawn 50,000 against capital on 1st October 2019. Okay, so if I am calculating, this is the 1st April 2019. So now we are going from bottom to top. Okay, in between this, on 1st October 2019, who withdrawal 50,000 rupees Naresh. So once again we will add 50,000 rupees with Naresh, and now 4,50,000 of capital is having, but there is no any transaction related to drawings. So 4 lakh of rupees capital will be there on 1st April 2019. Okay, 1st April 2019 they having capital 4 lakh of rupees with an arrays and with suitcase 4 lakh of rupees. Okay, so if I am calculating the interest, so interest is calculated according to 1st April 2019 to which date? For Naresh, it will be calculated on 1st October, because 1st October he has withdrawn 50,000 rupees. So 1st October 2019, the amount is 4,50,000, because the change was on 1st October. So before change, the capital of Naresh was 4 lakh of rupees. So it is a 10% rate of interest, and the time is 6 months from 1st April to 1st October. So the amount will be 22,500. Okay, and then from 1st October to 31st March 2020. Okay, so 31st March 2020, what is the capital? 1st October withdrawal 50,000, so we will subtract 50,000 from 4,50,000, so the capital will 4 lakh of rupees. So we will calculate the interest on 4 lakh of rupees for 6 by 12. Why 6 by 12? Because it is on till from 1st October 2019 to 31st March 2020. 4 lakh of rupees capital was there with Naresh. So if we calculating this, so there will be 20,000 of rupees. So total interest 22,500 and plus 20,000, 42,500 with the total interest of Naresh. And if we calculating for this, so Sukesh from 1st April to 31st March directly 2020, no change is there in between this one. So total interest will calculate on first on 4 lakh of rupees according to 10% and for complete year. So 12 by 12. Okay, it is calculated for 12 months. So the interest will be 40,000 rupees total. Okay, now we have to pass the journal entry. So the journal entry is first according to profit loss. So according to profit loss, so it is transferred to profit and loss appropriations account credit side. So the journal entry will pass profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriations account. The profit is amount 2 lakh of rupees. Narration will be being net profit is transferred to profit and loss appropriations account. Now interest on capital will charge. So here Naresh Naresh capital, IOC interest on capital, account debit, and one more there, Sukesh. Sukesh capital. Why it is capital? Because it is a fluctuating capital account method. So Sukesh capital, IOC account debit to, it is transfer to Sukesh capital. Okay. So one thing is there related to this journal entry. This journal entry can be can be done two type. One type according to interest on capital, account debit to partner's capital account, and then this interest is transferred to profit and loss appropriations account. Okay, and one entry is directly. So I am doing both the type of journal entry. So first I am doing according to profit and loss appropriations account. So in that situation, if we're discussing about the profit and loss appropriations account, so then the interest on capital at which side is show? It is show at debit side. So what we have to do? So profit and loss appropriations account is debited. So we will debited the profit and loss appropriations account debit to Naresh capital and IOC account, or to Sukesh capital and IOC account. The interest on capital, what was the amount? 42,500 for Naresh and 40,000 for Sukesh. 42,500 for Naresh and 40,000 for Sukesh. 82,500 will be total IOC. Okay. And then last journal entry will for distribution of profit. From 2 lakh of rupees we will subtract 82,500 and then we will distribute among the partners. So again, profit and loss appropriations account credit by 2 lakh and debit by 82,500. So balances will left on the debit side. So once again, profit and loss appropriations account debit and to Naresh capital account, which is showing profit account, and to Sukesh capital, it is also profit account. So the balance will left from 2 lakh we will subtract this one. So 1 lakh 17,500. And in which ratio it will be distributed? There is any ratio in this question? There is no profit sharing ratio among the partner in this question. So this profit is also will divided among the partner in equal ratio 1 by 1 ratio 1. So if we're dividing this amount into 2 equal ratio, 58,750 rupees will the profit for each partner. And for this entry we having one more options only for this journal entry. What is that? For this journal entry we having a OR option. What is that? Interest on capital account debit and to Naresh capital account and to showcase capital account. 42,500 and 40,000, total 82,500, and then this interest is transferred to profit and loss appropriations account debit or to interest on capital account. 82,500. 82,500. Okay, we can choose these options. Okay, we can choose this option or single one entry, this one. Okay, so any one method we can choose, and both the method will be having a weightage of marks in board examination. Okay student, thank you for today, and I will send you the questions. You solve all the questions related to that. Okay, thank you.